Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a hair treatment oil for extreme hair growth. So keep watching. The main ingredient for this treatment is castor oil. Castor oil promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, fights dandruff and any scalp infection, and keeps your hair and scalp healthy. Because it has antifungal and antibacterial properties, it's also high in vitamins, minerals, proteins, fatty acid, omega-6, 9 and a lot more. It's very effective for dry and damaged hair. It is a natural moisturizer and provides nourishment to our scalp and hair. For this, we need 2 parts of castor oil, 1 part of coconut and almond oil, and few drops of lavender essential oil. The quantity I am showing here is according to my hair length and thickness. I have a medium length hair. You can adjust the quantity as per the length and thickness of your hair. But it should be in 2:1 ratio or more of the castor oil and less of any other oil. I am taking 4 teaspoons of castor oil here. I have already mentioned the benefits of castor oil before. It is thick but it is really effective for the hair growth. I am taking organic pure virgin coconut oil here. Coconut oil reduces hair breakage, provides nourishment and strengthens the hair. Most importantly, it promotes the health condition of the hair and the scalp. I am using Rogan Badam Shireen sweet almond oil, which is 100% pure. Sweet almond oil is rich in vitamin A, vitamin B1, B6, vitamin E. It is rich in antioxidants. It promotes the blood circulation and provides all the nutrients to the hair and scalp. Now mix the oil and warm it up. Do not heat it directly. Use a double boiler method to warm the oil, or take a bowl full of boiling hot water or only hot water. Keep the oil container inside. Stir the oil and keep it for few minutes. After few minutes, we can see the consistency of the oil has changed and it is a bit runny. So now it is easily spreadable on the hair and the scalp. Now take out the oil container and massage the warm oil on the scalp and the hair. Warm oil massage helps in stress relief and provides relaxation to the scalp muscles. Lavender essential oil has amazing benefits like it promotes hair growth, soothes inflammation and treats scalp infection and dryness. Apply the oil from root to tip. Massage your scalp with your fingertips or use any applicator. Then comb your hair for even application of the oil. Cover your hair with shower cap to protect the pillow. Keep it overnight or at least 5 to 6 hours. Then wash it with mild shampoo and conditioner. For the best result, keep the oil in your hair overnight. Use inversion method to massage and apply this treatment twice a week. If you like this video, then hit the thumbs up button, share with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.